We picked up a meter bag that I think could have some potential. That's the brand. Good luck pronouncing it. This is, I think I paid 40 bucks or 50 bucks for it. I'll put the link down below if we are interested in it. I don't even know if we like it yet. 30-day return for any reason does not speak confidence, but we're going to try it out. This is going to be the loudest unboxing in my career. Okay, so we've got pretty decent handle here. Probably scratch it with our fingernail. Soft, but durable. X stitching. Tape loop. I can't remember if this thing has pockets in it or not. We're fixing to find out. We got one flap in the front there. We got a Velcro, not a Velcro, buckle. The zippers do not feel great. Cheap Chinese plastic back liner. Cheap material in the front. Ooh, we do have some tool pouches. Okay, I knew there was a reason why we bought this thing. We got interesting plastic. I'm going to try and keep this one PG. We do have a net liner in there. That's interesting. We've got... That's not even like real material. That's like wannabe Klein material. It's not. So, okay, those are not elastic. I actually like that. I thought that they were going to be elastic and I was going to play a tune on them for you guys. I was going to play you the World's Saddest Bag song. Not too bad. Okay, let's see how a tool fits in there. Please thank the Lord that they did that correctly. Okay, so we got some potential here. We'll have to find out what the price is to see if this thing's worth it. This doesn't look too bad. Single strap. A little bit of padding there, and you can change the strap from this side to this side. That is cool. Quite a bit of storage here. What is that going to fit? Just go with the bigger nut driver. Okay. What if we do... Alright. And what if we take some Kleins here? Please. Okay, I think some mistakes were made, guys. While it is a nice bag, the layout, I think it's lacking a little bit of quality here as far as how long it's going to last. I want to be clear here. I don't want to talk bad about the company because they're trying, right? Bag was not sent to me. I bought this from Amazon myself. I saw the layout and I thought it was kind of cool. This is built like a regular backpack to do backpack things, not like a tool bag. That's what we'll say. If you're going to use it for a little tech bag, laptop replacement pieces, technician, I'm a loss for words, guys. I don't recommend this one. So we will be returning it for any reason. This is the reason. I'm surprised it survived this long on my channel. And we just got it. This one's a hard pass. If you guys are interested in something like this, or you think that it's perfect for what you're looking for, I will put a link in the description below. I really don't even want to do that. There's got to be better out there. There's got to be better out there for the price. I think this thing was like 40 bucks. You know what? We just gotta look it up right now. We're doing this in one take too. So let me just go to my Amazon. Whew, Let's see here. Is this the same bag? Do we have a side pouch over here? Okay. Okay, we missed the side pouch. Does have the side pouch. The picture makes it look way better than it is. That's all I would say about that. How much was it? The coupon price is now $30. We bought it for $39. Well, let's load it out. Let's load it out. Let's see what it fits. We're gonna see what it fits. Put a multimeter in there like they showed. We'll put our Fluke 321 in here. Here's a 321. What is it? 302. Some Klein's there. Put a multi-bit driver here. Let's put some strippers in the corner. And put the strippers on a different side. Okay. And we'll do that there. And we'll put an impact in there for you guys. And put a refrigeration wrench back there. We could put just simulate refrigeration wrench there. Diagonals here. I mean, look, it looks really good. I'm going to make this thumbnail look awesome. This is going to be the thumbnail and be like, is this better than Klein? Oh my God. Yeah, not even rubber on the bottom. Good Lord. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's all I got. I'm not going to make you guys watch me unload this whole thing. We're just going to end the video right now. Hit the like button, and we'll try to find you guys another one. Thanks for watching.